adventurous bird. One day, Cuckoo decided to explore the forest beyond her nest. She flew and flew until she came to a clearing. The middle of the clearing was a large tree. Cuckoo flew to the top of the tree and looked down. She could see the whole forest from up there. Cuckoo was so excited to explore the forest that she didn't notice the hawk that was flying towards her. The hawk swooped down and grabbed Cuckoo in his talons. Cuckoo was terrified. She flapped her wings and tried to escape, but the hawk's grip was too strong. The hawk flew Cuckoo high up into the sky. Cuckoo knew that if the hawk dropped her, she would fall to her death. Just when she thought all hope was lost, Cuckoo saw a group of other cuckoo birds flying towards them. The cuckoo birds surrounded the hawk and started picking at it. The hawk was so annoyed that it dropped Cuckoo and flew away. Cuckoo fell from the sky, but she was able to spread her wings and glide to safety. She landed in a soft bush and looked up at the other cuckoo birds. They had saved her life. Cuckoo was so grateful to the other cuckoo birds that she decided to join their flock. They traveled all over the forest together, exploring new places and having adventures. One day, the flock of cuckoo birds came to a river. They had never seen a river before and were very curious about it. Cuckoo and the other cuckoo birds decided to fly across the river. But the river was too wide for them to fly across all at once, so they decided to fly across one by one. Cuckoo flew first. She flapped her wings as hard as she could and made it to the other side of the river safely. The other cuckoo birds followed Cuckoo one by one, but when the last cuckoo bird was flying across the river, a strong gust of wind blew it off course. The cuckoo bird fell into the river and started to drown. Cuckoo saw the cuckoo bird drowning and knew she had to do something. She flew down to the river and grabbed the cuckoo bird in her talons. Cuckoo pulled the cuckoo bird out of the water and flew it to safety. The cuckoo bird that Cuckoo had saved was so grateful to her. It thanked Cuckoo over and over again. Cuckoo was so happy that she had been able to help her friend. Cuckoo was a brave and adventurous bird, and she was always there to help her friends in need.